Let's warm up with a gentle heel toe roll. If you're a woman over 50 with osteoporosis, typical floor exercises and deep forward bends can place excessive stress on your fragile bones. Today's spine-safe stretches are designed to improve flexibility and protect your spine.
I breathe it in, I let it go. This is my rhythm, vital flow. Every step I'm standing tall, strong and steady, I've got it all. I move with purpose, I move with ease, power and calm and perfect harmony. I'm in my body, I'm in control. Mind and muscle, heart and soul. Every breath I feel it.
Begin with sunrise shoulder rolls. Lift tall through your crown, floating your arms all the way up. Now glide them down, and then roll your shoulders back. Keep your spine tall as you do this, and keep going with this beautiful move.
I feel it grow. This is my strength, this is vital flow. Shoulders roll, I soften the weight. Every movement intentional and straight. Years of wisdom guide my pace. I move with grace, I hold my space. I'm in my body, I'm in control. Mind and muscle, heart and soul. Every breath I feel it grow. This is my strength, this is vital flow.
Shift your weight side to side as you draw your elbows back. Gently open up your chest while keeping your head high and your ribs pulled up.
We're built to last. Yeah, we're built to last. We used to run on empty, push through every pain. Thought harder meant better, till the body spoke our name. Now we move with purpose. Every step is strong. Built a life, built resilience, been powerful all along. No more.
Stretch into diagonal reach. You want to reach gently across your body on a diagonal. And other side now. Lift out of your hips with a tall torso, avoiding any deep twisting or strain. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Beautiful.
Strength and wisdom, side by side with grace. We're smarter now, we know our worth. Lifting strong and standing tall, grounded like the earth. Steady fire in our soul, no need to move too fast. We train for life, we train for health. We're built to last. Every scar's a lesson.
Step 1 foot back, press your heel down, and gently expand your chest. Focus on a tall, neutral spine with zero arching in your lower back. Okay, let's do the other side. keep that flow going.
Open the arms wide, welcoming the light, a beautiful silhouette, shining so bright, pressing the hands out, feeling the space, moving with youth, moving with grace. So let your heart breathe, let your mind clear, reclaimed and radiant, the clock disappears. Slow down the rhythm, feel the
Into gentle hip release. Hips stay level and shoulders back. Put your hands on your back or wherever you can reach. You can also put them right here on your hips. Soften your knees and glide your hip gently side to side. Pure upright relief with no rounding.
Bring in your beautiful body to peace. Swaying like water, reaching up high, a stunning reflection under the sky, lengthening your spine, unlocking the glow, gentle and easy, letting it flow.
Step back. Now tuck your pelvis slightly forward and put your hands on your hips and feel the stretch right along the front of your thigh while maintaining a strong, upright spine. Want more Osteo-Safe workouts? Comment yes below. This is your channel.
Take a deep breath in, let it disappear.
And switch. Tuck your pelvis slightly forward. Feel that stretch. Enjoy it.
Congratulations, look what you've done today. You chose your health, you paved a brand new way. This is your time, the highest self-care.
Well done. Step heel to toe with a slight bend in your knee. Grow through the top of your head to decompress your spine and improve balance. And switch. I love this music track. Tell me in the comments, is the music helping you to stay motivated today?
Commit to the strength that is waiting right there.
Now incorporate the hands.
You did this for you.
Into our vital flow. Prayer pose, hands together, and breathe. Inhale deeply as you float your arms up. Exhale down. Alternating legs. Inhale. Exhale and keep it going. You want to lengthen your spine, align your posture, and release all tension.
your palms together, center and still, a prayer for the body, a quieted will, lifting up slowly, let the stiffness release, reaching for light, finding your peace.
Remember, consistency beats intensity every single time. One workout won't change your life, but repeating it will. Every routine brings you closer to more strength, less pain, and more life. So click on the screen right now for the next workout to build strong bones and a strong life. Thank you for taking the time to be with a very important person, you. I'm Suzanne Andrews, and I'll see you next time on Functional Fitness.